Okay, so I bought this camping light at Walmart, and this top flashlight here doesn't work. Well, so I take it apart, you know me, and I find this wire. This wire goes right here. Yep, it's just trying to turn on. See? See, I'm just touching this wire to here. I don't know how you can see that. See, it's on. It's on there. The light comes on. See? So I'm going to solder it on. And that's how much I paid for it right there. Yeah, I kind of had a little fun with the sticker. I like doing that. So I'm going to fix that. I'm going to pause. Alright. I will, there we go. Alright, all soldered in. So I got my headlight lamp on too. So that's been soldered in. The light is working. This is a little bent, as you can see, but it doesn't matter. It's okay. So, another quick fix. Thanks for watching.